Welcome back to Star Biker, your go-to channel for the latest in motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks of the year, the 2025 Honda CB400. This iconic midweight bike has made its return, blending timeless design with modern technology. Design and styling. The 2025 CB400 holds true to its classic roots, featuring a retro-inspired look with modern touches. With a muscular fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and minimalist tail section, it captures the spirit of the original while looking sharp and fresh. Honda has also refined the ergonomics for improved rider comfort, perfect for both urban riding and weekend getaways. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the CB400 houses a 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering a smooth and responsive ride. Honda has focused on low to mid-range torque, making it ideal for city commuting and twisty back roads. Expect around 45 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch for added control and smooth downshifts. Features and technology. The 2025 CB400 gets a modern upgrade in the tech department. A digital TFT display, LED lighting all around, and optional smartphone connectivity enhance the ride experience. Honda has also equipped it with dual-channel ABS, traction control, and an eco mode to boost fuel efficiency. Ride and handling. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and balanced suspension setup, the CB400 offers agile handling and a comfortable ride. The front telescopic fork and rear monoshock provide stability over varied road conditions, while the low seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. Price and availability. While Honda hasn't confirmed global release dates yet, the CB400 is expected to launch across select Asian and European markets soon. Pricing is rumored to be competitive, targeting new riders and enthusiasts looking for a dependable and stylish middleweight option. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CB400 is more than just a nostalgic revival. It's a versatile, stylish, and well-equipped machine that proves Honda still knows how to build a rider-friendly classic. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned fan of the CB lineup, this bike deserves a closer look. Stay tuned for more updates and test ride impressions, only on Star Biker. Ride safe and keep the passion alive.